Welcome everyone! Today we will be discussing the fascinating topic of Ireland's round towers. These tall structures, with heights ranging from 17 to 40 meters, are a unique feature of the Irish landscape. The Round Tower at Kilmacduagh in Galway is the highest in the country, boasting a height of 37 meters. These towers have a distinct design, with a single door raised to 3 meters above the ground. The windows are narrow slits, located high up in the tower, providing little light and easy access for defenders. These towers had many functions throughout history, but a likely primary purpose was not as a hideout from Vikings. Instead, they were likely used for military purposes, providing a vantage point for the defenders and allowing them to monitor the surroundings. Ireland's round towers have survived through the centuries, with some still standing today. These structures have played a significant role in shaping the country's history, and are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Irish people.